Zips up. Surge rail. Prototype V1 was pretty janky. Well, extremely janky. And that is now being upgraded. The full 800 millimeters, not necessary. I'm going with a 400 now. And obviously my fail fast, fail cheap is going to phase 2. Phase 2 now, chunky piece of 1/2-inch aluminum has the base to lock everything down into precise alignment rather than the jank. But yep, got this slider now. This will be probably Delrin, full block, retooled on the mill to create a better top piece here where the ball sits for the actuator. And it is beautiful. Down all of the loads being transferred through this chunky plate to these 4 linear bearings onto these rails, so nothing is pressing on the ball screw, which was different than this setup. The ball screw, this big ass one, used to ride through here on top of the block. Then this carriage, that's why there was a hole in it, sat on top of the block, and the ball screw went through, and the actuator was sitting on top. All the load was going through this 3D print down to the block. Still same effect, no load on the ball screw. But now this is much more skookum because plenty of gap and absolutely nothing's touching that screw. Which means that the power transfer and the speed that this can move to the correct position will greatly be increased. And tuck this back here. As soon as I figure out how to do the mount for the servo, likely I have to machine something here out of a plate. Get my mount here. Then the coupling would be in between. Actually, that could be installed. Let's see. Yeah, and then plan is to, this is gapped slightly so that way I can get a fillet weld on the top and the bottom of this plate to that 6160 aluminum. And then that would be the whole assembly. And yeah, well, it would be in line, but yep, there it is. Later.